Hello friends, welcome again. And this is a new project. This is latest project what we have developed. That is a YouTube comment sentiment analysis, right? So I got request from many of the students that they need a system where they could fetch the comments of video automatically, and after that they can perform the sentiment analysis of every comments, and it will show the sentiment analysis of each comment as well as the overall sentiment analysis of the video. Right. So this features we have developed inside this project, and the best part is we have not used any type of YouTube API, so you don't need to buy any of the API for using this project, right? So without any API you can easily run this project, right? And we have used the NLP libraries for performing the sentiment analysis on the YouTube video, right? So let's start with the functionality, go through that what are the features available inside this project. So the project title is YouTube comment sentiment analysis or YouTube comment analyzer. So this is a Python based project, and Python version I'm using the Python version 3.12, which is the latest now, and the Django version is 5. So this is a good UI. You can see this is the full Django based application, and Django version I'm using Django version 5. And for database, for storing some of the informations into the database, I have used the MySQL, right? And for UI designing, I am using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also the Bootstrap library because of for doing some of the responsiveness in the project, right? So this is the home page. You can see this is the home page. There is a slider running on the home page. You can see there is a slider. This is the Bootstrap theme features, right? And there is nothing dynamic on it. This is a totally static page, right? This is a about project, and this is again the static. And if you want to change the content of the about, then you can easily change it from the code. This is a login, and this is a database driven login form from where you can log in, and after that you can perform sentiment analysis on the videos, right? This is a static contact us page. This was the part of the theme, that's why we have added here. So this is the static contact us page. We are not saving this value, we are not sending any type of email and SMS for this form. So this is totally static. So the user ID is admin and the password is test. So once you log in, then you will get these 4 options, right? The video comment analysis is to change password and the logout, right? You can see the above menu has been changed because this is a session driven menu and it changed according to the login, right? So you can see there are a lot of menus are here, but if I log out, then you can see the menu options are less, and you will not be able to perform the sentiment analysis on the comment, right? Because this is a session driven, it will appear only after the login. So you can see it is appearing only after the login, right? So this is a dashboard, this is the administration video analysis, right? So this is the form where you need to put the URL of the YouTube, right? So you can, even we have tested it on 200 or 300 comments. It's easily fetching all of those comments and performing the sentiment analysis, keeping all those things into the database for performing for showing it as a report, right? So let me open one of the URL, a YouTube URL. So let me check some of the YouTube URL. Like so I think, yeah, so it has a lot of comments. So I am searching some of the YouTube URL which has a, yes, yeah. So I am seeing that this I think because this YouTube URL has near about 300 plus comments, right? So I am pasting it here. So here you can see I am putting the whole YouTube URL, right? So this has more than 300 comments, so it will take some time. So if you click on the analyze comment, then give some time to analyze all of the comments, right? Because what it will do, it will make connection, and after that it will download all of the comments, right? And after that it will perform the sentiment analysis according to the polarity, right? And there are 5 types of sentiment analysis here, not 5, it's even 6 type of. The first one is a strongly positive and positive and weakly positive. You got the result right here. You can see how much fast you got the result here, right? And how much comments it analyzed, 321, right? Comments it analyzed, the system had analyzed 321 comments, and you can see the sentiments here, right? When you can delete, so you can see the positive, neutral, weakly positive, strongly positive, very good speaking skill with the desired knowledge, right? That is a strongly positive, right? So these all things has been done by through the NLTK libraries, right? Which is performing the sentiment analysis, and it's showing that what neutral, and let me check, is there any negative or not? This is so this negative, right? Thank you everybody. I was very much confused about a toggle, because I am confused. Confused is a negative word, that's why it's showing the negative words. Strongly positive. Thank you, bhai, for this video. Your voice is very nice. So first one is a thank you, and second one is a very nice, right? So this is a positive strong. Good tutorial. Always Harry. So strongly positive. Neutral here. Ha, bhai. There is user doesn't want to say anything, that's why it's neutral, right? So many of the, so you can analyze. Now let me see that so this is the video analysis report. This is the report 321, and the maximum is the neutral, right? And there is one more thing. So there are 4 analysis, and we have done the analysis on the 4 videos, right? So you can see we have analysis on, we have analyzed 112 comment, 233, 170 and 321, all are neutral, right? And once you can click on the comments, you will be able to see all of the comments, right? Even you can delete the comments from here. But if you want to see the graph, right, means how much comments we got in the format of bar and the pie chart, just click on this sentiments, right? So this is the latest video on which we performed. So you can see this is a neutral is 174, right? Strongly positive is 34, weakly positive is 50, and positive is 51, right? Negative is and strongly negative. So there is nothing bad comment on this. There is no very much bad comment. That's why it's strongly negative is 0, right? And you can see neutral, and these are the graphs. This is a bar graph, this is a horizontal chart. So user will be able to see in the format of which has the most value, which comments has the most value. And the one more thing I want to show you, this the thumbnail, right? It fetching the thumbnail automatically, right? You have not uploaded the thumbnail, nothing, so it is fetching the thumbnail automatically. Even you can see all of the thumbnails are coming from the YouTube, right, through the API, right? And for that API you don't need to pay, you don't need to subscribe, right? This is the inbuilt feature inside this project, so there is no need of buying the API, right? So you can see the segment. So the most one is the neutral. Here you can see the bar graph and all, right? So this is the analysis reports. For same thing you can see this is the overall reports and all, right? This is the comments, sentiments, right? So these all things you can see here, right? So this is the my account. If you want to change the account password, then there you can change it from here. And again the logout. So once you click on the logout, then all of the session will be destroyed. This menu will be disappeared, right? So you can see this menu has been disappeared, right? So these all features we have developed inside this project, and this is good for you if you want to improve your career and skill sets in the AI as well as the Django and the Python, how you can integrate the Python with the web interface. So from this project you will get a lot of things, right? And so if you need extra features, if you need any type of enhancement in this project, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate those changes. We will make this project more better and better according to our requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. And thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.